Hey folks, Curtis Iovito here with Spartan Blades. So I've got a variety of knives here that we strictly use TYKMA lasers to make. So what we do is several things. We use TYKMA lasers for everything from light engraving in titanium to very deep engraving in several of our models. It also gives you the ability to laser anodize titanium in layers, which if you adjust the frequency and the power settings, you can get a variety of colors that really make your products jump out. But we use them from everything from marking our logo to doing custom pivots on the knives. You can see the design this one, for example. We do custom designs and pivots. We also apply a lot of artwork to our knives, and these are just a few examples. We'll come in and do a deep etching. We have a 100-watt TYKMA laser that we use for that, and then we'll come in, adjust the settings, and anodize over the top of that, so we can actually layer different DXF files that are converted from artwork that we do in-house, and it allows us to add a variety of colors, depth, markings to our knives, which it gives us custom engraving options. Here's a good example of one with a variety of colors. So we'll do the deep etching work first, put the part back in the tooling we make, then come back over with the laser and apply, we get purples, blues, silvers, we get a great gold in titanium, which is fantastic. Now, there's some trial and error in getting these colors, and when we couldn't figure it out, we would just call TYKMA. We call them up, they jump on a computer, help us with our settings, or at least walk us and talk us through it. We've done things to our lasers that were strictly our fault. There was a little bit of operator headspace and timing where we might mess up a part or lose a setting. They would always jump right on, log into our computer, fix it, and we'd be running within 20 or 30 minutes. I've never seen that kind of service from anybody else. So, which is why I'm talking about this now. We love TYKMA lasers. If you work on firearms, cutlery, if you work with plastic stuff, they have a variety of lasers. We love them. And I think it kind of proves out, we've never bought a laser from TYKMA that didn't make us money. Are they cheap? No, because they're good and the service is good. So I can't say enough good things about TYKMA.